In this city of shadows and secrets, there's one truth that finds us all. It doesn't knock. It doesn't wait for an invitation. Pain. It's the ghost in the machine, the unwelcome partner in the dead of night. Everyone experiences it. It's the common thread in the frayed tapestry of our lives, a universal language spoken in silence and sorrow. But not everyone transforms it into purpose. For many, the story ends there. The hurt becomes a cage, a cold, dark room with no windows. They let the bitterness take root, turning their world to shades of gray. But for a select few, the wound becomes a doorway. The difference, the entire case, lies in how you respond. You're at a crossroads, a choice presented in stark black and white. You can let that pain harden you, turning your heart to stone and your spirit to a ghost that haunts its own life. Or you can let it shape you, like a blacksmith forging steel in the fire, beating out the impurities until something stronger, something resilient, is born from the flames. You can let it close your heart, boarding up the windows and locking the doors against a world you no longer trust. Or you can let it break your heart wide open, expanding your capacity for compassion. Suddenly, you see the quiet battles others are fighting. You recognize the same shadows in their eyes. Your own suffering becomes a bridge, not a wall. This is the alchemy of the soul. When you choose to use your own struggles to light the way for others, to offer a hand to someone lost in the same darkness you once knew, a profound transformation occurs. Your pain is no longer a burden you carry alone. It becomes your strength. It becomes your purpose. The past is never truly gone. It leaves its marks, etched into you like names on a foggy window pane. But you get to decide what they mean. So let your scars serve as a reminder, not of what broke you, not of the fall or the fight you lost. Let them remind you of the strength you discovered when you got back up. Let them remind you of what made you and continues to make you unstoppable. That is how you solve the case.
Inspire yourself. Follow for daily motivation.